Hey, we are back and welcome to the new video. I'm sorry it took some time, it was quite a busy day. I had surgery on my wrist, so I was in the hospital for some days. And as you can see, look who's got here.
Hi.
Evie just got here some days ago. A few days ago. We didn't have really time to do much yet. We were busy with meeting again. And yeah, so today we're just making a little video. Well, we are busy editing, so this here is Abby's laptop, which we will use, of course, for travel and things like that, because we will not always be here and use my computer. But her laptop is really bad. She didn't spend money on a good one.
Excuse me? I bought that like 3 years ago.
See, it's not updated. She doesn't spend any money on it, so so it's slow. And we got her new RAM.
Hey.
With yeah. Don't throw the bottle at me. So we got new RAM, and I'm just going to upgrade it for her. We already opened it up. I did that with one hand, without help, which was not easy. No, I already did.
I cannot help him, guys. I'm not an IT woman.
Yeah, she doesn't know about IT, and since I'm a certified system engineer, I said I'll do it. So I opened it already up yesterday.
Why are you so arrogant with the certified?
I am a certified system engineer that is accepted by the government of Switzerland.
They don't have to know that.
They don't have to, but I like to brag.
Okay.
I didn't spend 4 years for them not calling me system engineer.
Okay, brag away, brag away.
No, just kidding. So I already opened it up yesterday to check what the RAM we need. And she has 4 GB now, DDR4 RAM. There's not really much more things to say because it's not written what it is, and I didn't turn the laptop on. So I got her 2 times 8 GB DDR4 RAM with 2400 Hertz. Well, of course I could have gone with 3200 Hertz, but this laptop only supports 2400. As I found out through Googling, so why spend the additional money? So you're just gonna open this up, take the old ugly RAM out, and you're just gonna throw it at Abby. And then you're gonna open this one
Why
out.
are you so mean? You're throwing at me. I'm not your wife yet, and you're throwing things at me?
It's just a RAM, so you have more memory. So you can remember us. You get my memory.
Don't worry, Babu. I don't forget people that done me wrong. I won't forget you because you did all the right things for me. Cherry!
Okay, so let's get this out. And take care. Don't touch too much. And so slot 1 first. Press it down. Okay, good. Slot 2. Turn it around. Put it in. Oh no, I don't have to turn it around. Okay, just put it in and push it down. Okay, that seems good. Now, the back panel is open, but I don't want to close it already because who knows if it works or not. So I'm just gonna put the cover back on halfway. Yeah, I'm not gonna bother too much right now. I'm just gonna turn it over, open her up, and let's see if it starts. I guess it works. Let's see. Still starting.
One eternity later.
Okay, so I just...
Sorry? I just feel so killing every time I watch this.
Okay.
Hey, I am my #1 fan.
That's
Myself.
perfect. I thought I'm your #1 fan.
No, myself.
Okay, I'm #2.
My mom, my dad. Okay, you'll be the #4.
What is with Carl?
She does not support me at all.
Okay, #4. Okay. So, I just finished installing the new RAM. It was still not that fast, so I checked and the CPU was having some problems. So I went into the BIOS, tried to change the clock speed of the RAM and check power saving things and stuff like that. I didn't really feel anything, but I restarted it again, checked in Windows, and it's actually faster now. I couldn't change the RAM speed to 2400 Hz, but it's still faster, so it works. Everything's good, so let's shut this down and close it up. It's already done. Wow, it's really a big difference. Next we have to upgrade the CPU.
Really? You'll upgrade it?
No.
It will cost a lot.
I know.
Yeah.
I just say you'd have to, not that we will. Okay, now I just have to be able to
I'll
close this.
just buy a new one.
It's okay, you don't have to. Okay, does it close up? I'm not so sure. I think it does not really. It's not going to. Okay, now it does. You just have to press hard enough. Always use force. That's always good with computers. So I saved the screws in here. What?
Nothing.
Always use force is not good. If it doesn't work with force, use more force. But that's not the IT engineer that's saying this. That's my car mechanic self. So, yeah, you will see now what I mean with it's not easy with one hand. Because I can't even get the screw to fit. Because I can't really use my...
Need help?
Could be.
Okay. You make me feel bad.
Yeah,
I'm just lying in here and you're doing a lot of stuff.
yeah, that's my plan.
What should I do?
Can you press down here? Yeah. Oh, it works so good when you get a little help.
I'm gonna bite you.
Okay, let's get the other screw.
Is this good? Are you sure?
This is good, yeah. It doesn't need a lot of force.
Okay.
No, I just need to be able to get this. Okay.
It was never opened before. But
Yeah,
just keep the original, okay?
of course, of course.
I'll still bring
Yeah,
that back when I get home.
It was never opened.
Oh my god!
I got it. It's okay. Just press down on it. Yeah, it was never open. It was a virgin.
Okay.
Like a virgin. Ow! Don't help me. The Madonna song, you don't know this?
Of course I do sing it, but you're not
See?
allowed to sing it.
Why not?
Because you're not a singer.
But I look better than Madonna.
Huh?
Can you
Scratch that
can you hold
off.
this up?
The virgin thing.
Okay. Can you hold this up? Why? What? I have to open it.
Yeah, I think I'm still not okay for what we did. My body is actually... See?
You mean the hiking? Or the opening the laptop? Okay.
I don't know, my body is trembling.
We did hiking today. You don't have to open this side. We went
It was so much for me. I woke up 2 a.m.
Yeah, Abby has a bit trouble to adapt. I still need your help here.
Okay.
Sorry. We went to sleep at like 11 to try and reset her natural clock,
It's not my natural clock.
her body clock, her wake up clock.
Yeah.
And yeah, we tried to, because on Monday morning, Tuesday morning, after her first night here, she just woke me up at 3 a.m. and we didn't sleep anymore. And then this was our second night last night.
No,
No, it was
this
the
is the third night.
Wait.
And then I woke up
It's
4.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah, Tuesday, Wednesday. How long did we sleep?
4. Like...
You woke up at 4 too?
yeah. Like,
Oh yeah, we did.
we did. We were
We
on
woke
the
up
couch.
at 4 a.m. as well, and we went to the couch. Oh, but that was because of the wedding.
Oh, yeah. I watched
so-
the wedding of my friend. Ate Ena, congratulations on being Mrs. Marceliana. I love you so much. Both Kuya Elvin.
Congratulations. And
What? Okay.
okay. And yeah. Then last night we said we go to bed late. Because actually on Tuesday we went to bed at 7 p.m.
Yeah, 7.
So last night
and
we
then
went like
shower.
at 11.
Oh.
And we were like, yeah, then we can sleep long. And Abby just woke up at 2 a.m. and couldn't sleep. And
Yeah.
I
always
slept until
pestering
8.
him whenever I can't sleep.
Yeah,
so.
always out of bed, into bed. So we woke up. I woke up at 8. I slept a bit more.
Yeah, I slept a bit more
Yeah.
because you're a sleepyhead.
Yeah, and we wanted to make a quick hike to the forest and get things done in the
It was
afternoon.
not a quick hike! It was like 3 hours!
Yeah, it was like 3 hours. I thought like it's be like an hour, 1.5. But then we left home at 10.
It was sunny.
Yeah,
And
it was
then
sunny and raining, and we left home at 10 a.m.
Yeah, it's 10.
And we got back home at 3 p.m.
Ooh.
No.
We eat lunch at...
Yeah, we eat lunch at the restaurant, but we got home.
See, 10,
at
11,
3.
12, 1, 2...
It's like 4 or 5 hours. So
You make me walk for 4 hours?
Yeah.
That's a torture!
She
My
enjoyed
dad would
it.
Never.
She enjoyed it. Yeah, it's like 4:30 now, and the only thing we
But
did
yeah,
is
guys, it
change.
was so good in the inside of the forest. Yeah,
Tell us about the forest.
I'm just curled up in bed with my unicorn. What do you call this?
Bed sheets,
It's not bed sheets.
blanket sheets.
Comforter.
Okay.
Yeah. His dad got me this. It's a gift. Mark is so stingy, so.
Thank you. You're lucky I don't have any more ram to throw.
Oh, okay. Why are you filming me?
Because you're beautiful.
No, that's against.
Okay. You're not beautiful. Okay.
That's against the law. Don't film me that much.
Okay, so yeah, we upgraded the laptop. We'll bring it on our travels to edit videos. Maybe not upload it, but at least we can edit it here a bit. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.